Logic apps. Future stays on track.
Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to present the solution for the Hackathon Challenge number 4, Hierarchical Data Modeler. Our solution consists of 3 parts: end-user interface based on PowerPlatform portals with embedded PCF control. The second one is admin interface based on model-driven app. And the last one is the backend asynchronous processing by Dynamics 365 plugin. Here is the portal part, and here is the model-driven backend. All these admin panels give the opportunity to create entity definitions based on the following formats: JSON, Excel, and API requests. Let's proceed to the creation stage. We need to navigate to the Create New page. Here we can see the setup of a new table and the visualization panel of the table structure. In order to start the flow, click on the Browse button and choose JSON or Excel file. In a few seconds, there will be a structure displayed in the visualization panel. Here we can change the attribute types, set the length of the text attributes, and specify if we want to include the attribute into the new table. On the right side of the screen, we can see that the table display name and schema name were automatically pre-populated according to the file name with the help of camel case processing and pluralization function. There are several main benefits of this approach. First, the table setup page contains mostly main fields that are required for entity creating. Second, user can manage the creation field policy, so some fields can be skipped during the creating process. Then attribute type can be managed as well. We used intellectual naming policy for entity metadata. Display name, plural name, schema name will be generated automatically, but still users can override them if needed. After we have finished the setup of a new table, press Save button to save settings. Now we can run plugin to start creation of a new table. So we need to navigate back to the entity definition page, select the new setup and click Process. Confirm the processing and we will see the stage updated to processing, and in few seconds the table will be created in Dataverse. During the demonstration we explored several stages of the table creation. Among them are new, processing, ready, and error stages. Processing divides into 2 steps: entity creation and attributes creation. In case of the error during the processing entity definition, the stage will be changed to error, and we can see it in the last column. So the metadata can be improved and entity definition can be easily processed one more time by pressing the Process button again. So this was a short demonstration of our solution. Talking about improvements and backlog for it, we would like to move to the Azure infrastructure in order to avoid 2 minutes limit of plugins and process larger tables to manage more levels of hierarchy. For the table and attribute setup, we need to add additional parameters to make it more flexible for users and notify them when their metadata is processed. We could also add automated data uploading right after the table creation. To sum up, the general technical solution part can be displayed in the detailed flow diagram. The solution uses PowerPlatform, Dataverse, Azure Functions, and Service Bus. For the PCF control, we used React Framework, Sheet.js, and data tables libraries for Excel and JSON processing. And that brings us to the end of the presentation. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. We will be happy to hear your feedback on our solution and will wait for next challenges.